Hello everyone, in today's class I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to cook party egusi soup for family, rich and tasty thick egusi soup. Don't go away, watch to the end because you'll learn 3 things on how to cook your rich tasty egusi soup for parties and families. You are highly welcome to Ulelu Ruth's Kitchen. This is Ruth. Let's dive into today's tutorial. I have chopped onions, tomato paste, white cow skin, yellow chili pepper. I have bitterleaf, snail, browns, cow skin. Then I have palm oil, stockfish, smoked Titus fish, salt, seasoning, and dry fish. Then I have 4 cups of egusi, blended egusi or melon for today's tutorial. Then add your chopped cow skin, add chopped onions, add half teaspoon of salt, add half teaspoon of seasoning, add half teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, and add 25 ml of water. Cover to cook. When the meat cook, number 1 new thing you're learning in today's tutorial is to grill your meat. Grill it a bit. It gives it a nice taste. Remember, we're cooking tantalizing egusi soup. Next, we're using 1 liter of meat stock. We want to make a thick egusi soup. Next, after your pot dries, add your palm oil, then add chopped onions, stir for a minute, add your tomato paste, and stir for 10 minutes. Next, add crayfish. Crayfish give it a very nice taste. That is a new thing you're learning in today's video. Add crayfish while stirring your tomato paste to give it a nice taste. Next, after stirring for 10 minutes, add blended egusi or melon and continue to stir. Stir your blended egusi until it blends together with the tomato paste. Exactly what you're seeing on the screen. Next, add the meat stock, 1 liter of meat stock. Hello everyone, let's cook together party egusi soup, tantalizing, yummy, presentable egusi soup for your family parties. Hello, if you're returning, you are highly welcome. If this is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. If you love to see more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like, comment, and share. Next, after stirring it for 10 minutes, this is what the egusi is turning out to be, very thick and yummy face. Now, next, add all the meats, the stockfish, the snail, the fish, everything together and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Cover to cook for 5 minutes. You can see what the egusi soup is looking like. It's already looking yummy and tantalizing. Don't go away. Let's finish this cooking together. Yummy egusi soup for families, parties is almost ready. I'm thinking of pounded yam already. So next, after 30 minutes, add your leaf. I'm using bitter leaf in today's tutorial. You could use pumpkin leaf or any other leaf of your choice. So our egusi soup is ready and this is what it looked like. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. The ingredients are the description button. See you in the next